Many of our young people do not recognize that there are pathways out of their current situation. They just have to reach out and access these pathways.
You have to tell the Prime Minister what's going on. We live in a community here, and I see what's going on with a lot of young people here.
Oh Lord, may I spend a minute with you?
Yeah, man.
What do you like? What would you want to do?
To become a chef.
I
Promise and I swear that I'm going to Heart on Monday.
On Monday.
You know, I work for her.
We just met a young lady down the road and she promised me that she's going to go and we're going to assist her in going. Well, if you could give her the details. Right. You see, we're on campaign, yes, we're meeting people, introducing the candidates. See, but we are also solving problems as we go along and getting an opportunity to explain what the real challenges are for the country. There are a lot of people who believe we don't have a labour shortage. We actually do. And we do because even though there are people there who are not working, they can't work because they don't have skills. And so even though they are there and they're not working, it's not like we could take them up and immediately put them in the posts that are available. We have to get them trained. That's where we are now with the economy. Labour is a constraint on the economy, and we really have to solve that labour problem. The 20 or so thousand persons who could be in the labour force but are not in the labour force.